everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Alright, so as you saw, I added some foiled gold cardstock to my cover, and I added the pocket that came with it on the front. So this can store whatever it is that I need to store. And then I had this extra pocket. This was actually a pocket that Glamorous Plans added as a freebie to an order. But these are those pockets that are always popular around back to school time that you get from the little dollar section at Target. And you can find these online, but typically when it's back to school, I stock up. And I had just recently ran out, so this one came in handy. And it'll, it's a little wrinkle, but it'll iron itself out once I start putting stuff in here. So what I want to do next in my setup of this is to go ahead and zhuzh this up. And I don't know if y'all know this, I am a researcher. I research everything that I do and anything that I purchase. And I was stalking the Hobonichi hashtag, and I happened to stumble upon a fellow planner babe's setup, and she had her monthly all decked out, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want those. So typically I would look for the stuff first before I actually ask the question, but I'm just getting this set up. But I asked her and she hadn't responded yet, and then I just went on Etsy. I'm telling you guys, if you can't find something just by searching social media, go on Etsy. In the search box where it says where you put in what you're searching for, or your whatever you're searching for, if you put in what you're searching for, you will find it. And I'm gonna put a little box up here just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But I went in there and I typed in Hobonichi monthly tabs, or no, Hobonichi monthly sticker tabs, and so much came up, and I found these, and it's from Lexi Kylie. I hope I'm saying her name right, but this is the monthly view. So that's what I actually searched for. I searched for Hobonichi monthly view stickers, and this is what came up. So I got this. It comes in some different colors. This is the neutral color, and I like it because it came with the actual important dates section that you will put here to cover this up, because we don't know what those are. And then when I decided to do is I just like, I already got to pay shipping, so why not make it worth my while? I got these 3 date covers, because if you don't use a kit, you still need to have date covers if you want to cover up the dates. So I got them in the blue green, the pink and purple, and the neutral. And I will leave a link to her shop as well. So I'm going to go ahead and lay these, and hope you are enjoying my setup of my Hobonichi weeks. Okay, I'm going to take this clip off first because it was kind of getting in the way and it was messing up my page. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is lay the years on here. So what I decided to do was to put white out under here, because you could see the 2019 a little bit. And before I do them on all of them, I just wanted to make sure you didn't see through, in which you actually did. But later on down the video, I figured out it didn't matter, because you can see the stickers through the actual paper, because the paper is super thin. If any of you have ever opened up a Bible, these pages are exactly like a Bible. Only thing is, it's missing the Word of God. But still gonna use it because this is still super cute. So right now I'm laying my important dates box sticker, and you can see through this one as well. But again, I'm not super bummed out about it, because once you start writing, you really won't see it. At first I was going to take it up, but then I was like, that's just too much white out to even be bothered with. So now all I'm going to go ahead and do is lay my months, and under each of the months it has the days of the week. And look how cute this is. See how the F and the B kind of sits up over the sticker. But anyway, earlier I said that this calendar was like Sunday through Monday, but the Hobonichi is actually Monday through Sunday, which is cool because save the best for last, Sunday. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and let you see me lay down each and every month for all 3 years. And the reason being is because I want you to see how one, how great these stickers lay down, and two, to see that they actually do peel up. Now I'm not sure if these are removable stickers, and as you can see right here, I'm pulling it up, the page is not tearing or anything. But what I'm doing is making sure I keep the page flat while I do that. I think that kind of helps eliminate tearing when you're trying to lay your stickers. One thing that I noticed in my Hobonichi research, because as I said in the video earlier, I like to research things before I invest my time, my money, and my energy. Contrary to what anyone may think, I don't just buy all the things without at least figuring out what they're about. So what I noticed is most of the time when they were laying the stickers, they would use tweezers. And it's because the stickers are so tiny, and depending on if you have long nails like myself or larger fingers, it's kind of hard to lay that tiny sticker down and get a nice clear view of how you need to place it. So my tip when you're laying your stickers, to one, help eliminate having to possibly pull them back up off of the page, especially if it's not a removable sticker. Use tweezers and make sure you grab it from the end, as I'm doing here, because again, you can see exactly where you're placing it, because this planner is very tiny. I did not realize how tiny this planner is. Like, if you had to compare it to anything, I don't know what I can compare it to in regards to size right off the top of my head, but it's very tiny. So you definitely, I'm sorry, I'm just chewing gummy bears as I'm talking. And side note, hold on, let me finish chewing. All right, I'm back. What I was saying, side note, when I'm filming and planning, I do eat gummy bears. I love me some gummy bears. And that's probably one of the best snacks to eat while you're planning, because they're not messy, they're not sticky, they don't stick to, you know, anything. Yeah, so that's my little thing that I do while I'm planning. I do eat gummy bears, and I apologize if I was chewing in your ear. So yeah, so like I said, as you can see, I'm strategically placing the sticker at the corner of, I'm pulling up by the corner. So this is another example of how easy these peels. So because this is in the inner part, it was a little bit harder for me to, I had to figure out how to maneuver it. But all you have to do is just make sure you can get under the bottom. And another thing, kind of like bend your page, not in a way where you'll wrinkle it, but it'll also again help to lift it up. All right, so this is it, guys. This is super cute, like, for real. So as you can see, and as I mentioned, I did try to white out because I didn't want to see through the stickers, because they are kind of see-through, but when I realized, in which after the fact I could have probably went back through and whited it out anyway, because you could see the stickers on the back, but I decided not to go through all of that and white this part out, because once I write what I need to write on here, it's not going to even matter to me for real. Some things just don't aggravate me that much, and seeing through this particular sticker does not. I mean, you can barely see through the 2018 and the 2019, but now that I know that even if you do white out, you can still see the stickers on the other side. And I do have to get used to my planner being like Bible pages, and I know you've heard a lot of people say that, but yeah, this is super cute to me. So yeah, and as you saw, I did link the video showing how to look up things, like if you have an idea of something that you want but you don't know what shop may have it. And I also showed you how to get to Lexi Callie's designs page, because she has some cute things. And just to kind of show you something else that I got, look at her freebie. How cute is this? I mean, and look at these flag stickers. So she will definitely be on my list of stickers to buy for my Hobonichi, because you guys saw how I peeled up these stickers with no issue. The site doesn't say whether or not these are removable, but as you saw, like with this October one at the bottom, I totally pulled the whole thing off. And I think one of the tricks of peeling your stickers off, and I did see, I want to say, was it Karen and Olives? I hope I'm saying her page name. But when she was peeling her stickers off, she would fold the page and lift it to peel instead of trying to peel it straight up. And I guess that kind of gives it a little bit of like roll room, so it won't rip the page. So like I said, I don't know if these are removable. I know I did order from another shop that does offer a removable option, because of these pages being so thin. But I love the way this looks. So I hope you guys are enjoying my setup. I can't wait to show the whole setup. My plan is just to, like every day, kind of just release a new video showing how I'm getting my ivory Hobonichi set up for my everyday planner. This is going to be my EDC. So, okay, here she is. She's getting there, guys. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.